Alright, so here's how it works. Let's start at the battery. Right, okay, this is the 12-volt battery, usually used for lawnmowers. The hot wire, this is the positive terminal, and it goes down to this, and this is a solenoid starter, or a starter solenoid, or you can call it a solenoid relay. And on the positive terminal there's a wire, this green wire you can barely see, and that green wire goes out to the switch right here, and then it comes back down and it goes to the solenoid, right on the guy here. So this solenoid, when the power comes to here, it connects these two together. There's a little pin that slides in place to connect the two. So when this is disconnected, you can hear it go clink, and that's how it works. That's it, right there. And then, to connect the battery, it gets connected to this wire, which goes down to the starter, which you can't see because it's so dark, but it's right here on the back side. And then when you hold the button down, and it starts your engine when it's working.